Welcome to Next Act Cruising.
I'm Bob.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're going to share with you our excursion into the insights of Maya culture that we took at our Cozumel, Mexico port stop. This was on our 15-day cruise to the Panama Canal and Central America with Viking Ocean Cruises.
Cozumel is an island in the Caribbean Sea off the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, east of Playa del Carmen and south of Cancun. Cozumel has a total land area of about 250 square miles. The name Cozumel is derived from a Mayan word meaning island of the swallows.
Large parts of the island are covered with mangrove forests and are home to thousands of endemic animal species. Cozumel is a flat island on a base of limestone. The highest natural point on the island is only 50 feet above sea level. There are a number of water-filled sinkholes on the island called cenotes, which have been formed by water percolating through the limestone for thousands of years. Cozumel is surrounded by a diverse ecosystem of coral reefs where more than 1,000 marine species live. This makes Cozumel a great place for scuba diving, and certainly tourism is the top industry in Cozumel.
It is believed the Maya settled Cozumel in around 1 AD. This island was sacred to Ixchel, the Mayan moon goddess of fertility.
We selected one of the included excursions called an Insight into Mayan Culture. We think this excursion was designated as having a moderate activity level. Par for the course, Viking offered about 15 included and fee-based excursions for passengers to choose between. The cruise port is very well developed, and so there were a lot of shops that a person could just browse through or check out the restaurants instead of going on an excursion.
Our excursion involved 2 stops. The first stop was to tell us about the importance of cacao or chocolate to the Mayan and the Mexican cultures. The next stop was a Mayan dance demonstration.
Our first stop to learn about chocolate was definitely a moderate level because we had to stand and walk for some period of time before we were led into a small arena to watch our chocolate making demonstration. Now we'll show you some bits of the chocolate demonstration, but no samples will be provided with this.
Let's do it. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Muy bien. After a few more seconds, we have this powder. But now we have to use more ingredients. So the first one, I'm sure you have used that before, guys. Have you ever heard about the allspice? Yeah. Allspice, yes? You know what? I'm not talking about the aftershave. Amigos, this size, this is, amount in Mexico, we call this poquito. Just a little bit, there you go. Guys, who like cinnamon here, by the way? Cinnamon is the best, right? In Mexico, remember, we call it canela. There you are. Can you say that, canela? Canela. Excelente. Just a little bit. Okay, the next ingredient. Let me show you. Maybe you can see it. It's a small red seed, a very tiny seed. In Mexico, we call this achiote. It's a small seed. It's red color. It's very similar to paprika. Oh, there you are. Mexican vanilla, guys. Yes. So now we have to mix everything together, and I need your help again. But this time from 1 to 20 in Espanol. Is that okay for you?
We next then rode the bus to the site of the Mayan dance demonstration.
This part of the excursion was easy.
The dance show was quite good and very exciting, with lighting, costumes, smoke, fire, drum playing, flute playing, and even people blowing into conch shells. We thought it was the best part of the excursion. Now, let us show you some highlights from this Mayan dance celebration.
Based on some of the banners hanging around this little arena, we think they also do a Mexican wrestling or lucha libre show. That would have also been exciting to watch.
It would have been. After the dance show, we were bussed back to the port where we had the option of either doing some shopping or just going back to the ship. Although the day was fairly hot and humid, we had a good time on this excursion. If you have any comments, please leave them below.
Thank you for joining us on this excursion. Please give us a like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Until our next adventure, we'll just say goodbye.
Goodbye.